Let's just see what the hell happens here. Right in it. What the fuck's going on here? There's a tornado warning, so I'm just using this. Let's just see what the hell happens here. Right in it. What the fuck's going on here? There's a tornado warning, so I'm just using this. I don't know, to me them clouds look a little weird. They're low. Something's going on. Probably gonna call my mother and tell her to stay off Route 5. Yeah, she's gonna follow. You might want to stay off 5. It looks like the clouds are like they're getting ready to do something over here on 5. Like they're really trucked up, man. Mom, I'm not kidding. It said tornado warning, and the clouds are going crazy right now on 5 and 20. It's not fine over here. All right, it might get hit. Bye. Clouds are like doing a super rise over there. They're rising really fast. I was told to go towards the lake. I might try that. I might try the lake out for a second. I don't know though. That one's spinning a little bit, the second hump to the left, right near the tree. These clouds are going funny too. There's a patch of clouds just getting sucked up in the air. They're going to build together right now. Same thing, huh? Nothing's going on. What are you thinking? Yeah, you think that's the end of it though, or is this going on a little nuts? Yeah. I was telling my mom to stay off 5, but now it just hit towards Forestville area. I can't even waste much gas. I busted my fucking leg and now I don't have any money for shit. They don't cover nothing. No one's covering nothing. All right, well, good luck. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna chill out. This area doesn't have many tornadoes, and if they do, they're like little baby ones. They throw a branch around. Nothing big ever hit New York, Buffalo, since I've been alive. I mean, we had a couple years ago, but like it was just like it threw a couple chairs around. It didn't, you know, broke a couple limbs. It didn't do that much damage. But the clouds are really nasty right now. The clouds are getting sucked up in the sky right now. I'm gonna chill out until I see something. Yeah, I couldn't find nothing. Those clouds were starting to spin and then they ran away. So I was told to check the lake too. Some guy was going to check the thruway, but I didn't get his number. The guy next to me. Can't do much with crutches here. Hoping for a tornado. Screw it. I'm ready.